Good morning. It is, what is today?
Saturday.
It's Saturday.
We're going out to Curry and Braden's house to
fill in all those gaps.
Fill in all the gaps with caulking and get the trim. I didn't even show you the trim that Mike did last week. You saw just like a little splurge of it. But I'm about to video and show you how pretty it looks, and it's gonna be super nice.
And also, we've got a guy coming out that did our guttering, Dale. He's super great. He's gonna come out. Guys, you probably saw all the dirt.
Hold on.
Stuff.
Hold on. I'm gonna turn this around. Yeah, so you see all the dirt splatters from the rain.
I cleaned some of it up. You see it on the very end down there.
Yeah, so when they get their gutters on, that'll prevent all of that. And then, you know, landscaping will be there eventually and it'll be really pretty. But for now, we're about to caulk all of this trim and any seams that we created, and it'll be great. We just finished mowing, and now then we've decided to take our gates off the hinges, because when was the last time we closed these gates?
Long time.
Like over a year ago. And we all remember the last time we had a dealing with this gate, about lost a finger. So anyways, we're about to take these off. And eventually, maybe someday down the road, Colby can build us some nice gates that have like a electric opener and all. That'd be kind of cool. Good morning.
Hey.
So we're on our way to go pick up our tractor. It's been in the shop, had some problems, had to get that fixed, and we decided to stop off and get some coffee at 7 Brews. But it's just not
Our personal favorite. There's a ton of people that go there, so we're not saying anything bad about it, because obviously everybody likes their coffee differently.
So we're not coffee snobs by any means, but let's see, we have 7 Brews, Scooters,
Dutch Brothers,
Rocket Brothers, and Starbucks are our local main coffee places. Our absolute favorite is Rocket Brothers. They make a mean hot white mocha, and we love it every time. They never fail us. And Starbucks is the second runner-up. So, or they would be the first runner-up.
Yeah,
I don't know how you say that.
because we've got the big trailer in the back, we can't get into Rocket Brothers because they have a little tight space. So we had to go to the biggest opening area.
So we settled for 7 Brews, the hot blondie. It's all right. So tell us what your local coffee places are and what your favorite flavor is. I mean, I don't do straight black coffee. I can't do it. Cannot do it. Mike does, but he puts honey in his at home. I put a lot of French vanilla creamer in mine. But anyways, tell us what your favorite coffee is and where it's from and all that jazz. All right, so I'm really excited because we're finally getting to pull these pipe here. We're also going to be pulling all of those out that way up, and it's exciting. So we just got those out the ground. That was nice and fun. Now we're moving out here. These pipes are honking heavy. So much cement. All right, so now then we're going to pull up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And maybe that little piece right there. We don't know. Leveling this back out where we pulled those posts up. That's so much fun. I'm not sure if you could see, but I was doing quite the balancing act with a couple of those pipes. All right, so we got all of those out, and Mike is working on leveling the ground, and now then I'm about to attempt, whoa, throwing rocks at me. I'm about to attempt to remove this piece. Might not be very successful. I have to be really careful because of the tetanus town structure there, but I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my wow, that is a lot of pipe. And cool thing is Colby can utilize this in building things for us, future gates, panels, whatever. We've definitely got supplies. Now then, all the concrete, sheesh. Gotta find a way to dispose of that. So, as you know, out here in Tetanus-town, it is just a big mess, but we're constantly finding buried treasures. I just found this cool glass bottle. It was in there. I know some people are really into old glass and bottles and stuff, but it looks pretty old. My pawpaw would have loved that. I'll have to take a picture of it and look it up. So, speaking of treasures, do you guys remember over a year ago, we were out here clearing out fence panels and all, and we kept finding panels that were like buried in the ground? Wow, Mike just unveiled one, and we're not gonna try to lift it up completely out of the ground because it will literally tear this whole section up. So we're just gonna cut it off, and as it gets exposed, we'll continue cutting it off so that we don't hit it with the mower. Oh God, sit. Of course, I feel like this still sticks up. Hey, okay, so we just finished taking out all of the fence pipe out there. It just looks amazing. But I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. So today, September 21st, is my mom's 80th birthday. She is usually here visiting us on her birthday, or we go there maybe, or something like that. We actually have a surprise party planned for my mom on Friday night. Unfortunately, she has found us out. Some people have been sending her birthday cards and saying, hey, sorry I can't make it to your party, but anywho, we are making the trip to Texas and sneaking into town, staying with one of my brothers and sister-in-laws, and my mom just thinks that we're here and we're staying here and that we're not coming to Texas. So I don't know what she really knows, but we're trying to pull this big stinking surprise party off. It is going to be huge. Some of you that are watching are actually going to be there, and she is going to be so incredibly surprised to see how much she is loved. So by the time this video airs, her party will have happened. I will be seeing some of you at the party, and I'm really excited. Family members, cousins, from way back when. I'm very excited to see you all, and I know Mom is going to be super surprised to find out how much she is loved. So anyways, we're about to wrap the week up here at the farm. Anyways, just wanted to catch you up to speed on what is happening and why there will be no more work on the farm this week. Hey there, so we made it to Texas. It's been a whirlwind of the last day and a half.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
Rolled into town late last night, hid from my mom all day today.
Trying to stay undercover, make sure she doesn't know we're here, make sure a lot of other people aren't here.
I think she knows.
She's got an idea, but there's no way she knows the entire scale of the operation, so that's going to be kind of cool.
Yeah. So again, super short week on the farm, but we did get all those posts pulled up, which was great because now looking across there.
Yeah, one of the things that I think you'll see in the next few weeks or months
is the fact that, you know, I transplanted a lot of that Bermuda grass, and every little scrap, every little root, you know, I dug a hole, planted it, covered it up with dirt. So I'm anxious to see how that comes back out, but I think that'll all be covered up and look beautiful, and especially by the spring, you know, when the spring growth comes back in,
it's gonna be so
it'll just
pretty.
be neat. And we'll finish out that road, make it just a hair wider, and get rid of I always say Tinseltown, but I know it's Texastown. That's a big job too. And hopefully next week you guys will be seeing all kinds of exciting things. Hey, all kinds of fun and exciting things, because we will get that painting finished up and build another stairway for the back porch, and should be able to get a few other things done. So that's our plan anyway.
Yeah, don't forget to answer our question, by the way, about the coffee that I posted earlier in the week. But other than that, that's it. We hope that you guys have a super great week, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And you may be noticing a video that I released. It's a happy birthday video for my mom that we're showing her tonight. That's going to be one of the biggest surprises.
Absolutely.
So anyway,
good stuff.
if you see that show up, that's what that's all about.
God bless.